some people come in the store and ask for a simple machine. This is the machine that always comes to mind for me. Quite simply, it's a Bosch, so it's a very trusted brand. But also, unusually these days, all the temperatures for the programs are on the fascia. So if you want a cotton 40 degree, it's right there. If you want a 20, it's there. If you want a 90, it's there. Normally you would go with most other brands, select the program, then select the temperature when you change it to have what you want. Not a major issue, but if you're looking for the simplest machine, this is probably it. Series 2 from Bosch. You've still got an 8 kilo 1400 spin standard size box. Nothing unusual there, same size as all the others. But I think this is a machine that anyone can use easily. It's easy to read, easy to see, and it's still got the fast 15-minute, 30-minute washes, so you can still speed everything up if you want to. And of course you've got the eco washes if you're just trying to get the best bang for buck when it comes to especially cotton washes. That's the Bosch simple one.